Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Nazala Nisa Alfi Husna. You can call me Nazala. I am from class PBAC. Okay, I will answering the state question, the individual assessment from Nisepti. Okay, number 1. What does the passage mainly discuss? A. The advantage of using wood in the colonies. B. The effects of an abundance of wood on the colonies. C. The roots of the Industrial Revolution. D. The difference between charcoal iron and coke iron. This question above asks about the topic of the passage, which means that we have to look for answers that cover all the paragraphs in the passage. In this case, the correct answer is B, because the passage discusses the plentiful supply of wood in the colonies and the advantage and disadvantage of this involved. And next, number 2. Which of the following is a common assumption about the forests of North America during the colonial period? A. They contained only a few types of trees. B. They exist only along the Atlantic seaboard. C. They had little or no economic value. D. They covered the entire continent. Okay, what the question above is the common assumption. From the first sentence of the second paragraph, the first colonies did not, as many people imagine, find an entire continent covered by a climax forest. We can determine the answer is D. They covered the entire continent. Number 3. According to the passage, by the end of the colonial period, the price of wood in eastern cities A. rose quickly because wood was becoming so short. B. was much higher than it was in Britain. C. was slightly higher than in previous years. D. decreased rapidly because of lower demand for wood. The answer is C, because the question above is the keyword price of wood. That is, by the end of the colonial era, the price of wood has risen slightly in eastern cities. In the last sentence of paragraph 2. Number 4. What can be inferred about houses is Britain during the period written about in the passage? A. They were more expensive than American houses. B. They were generally built with imported materials. C. They were typically smaller than homes in North America. D. They were usually built from materials other than wood. The answer is D, because the keyword in this question is houses. So sentences containing the word or the meaning of the word have house and all manner of buildings were made of wood. to a degree unknown in Britain. Number 5. According to the passage, why was the use of coke smelting advantage? A. It led to advance in technology. B. It was less expensive than wood smelting. C. It produced a stronger type of iron than wood smelting. D. It stimulated the demand for wood. The question above is the keyword coke smelting. A sentence that contains the meaning or word. The phrase coke smelting led to technological innovation and was linked to the emergence of the Industrial Revolution. The answer, which has the same meaning as the sentence K, is A. It led to advance in technology. Next, the last, number 6. Where in the passage does the author begin to discuss in detail the disadvantage that an abundant supply of wood brought to the colonies? A. Lines 1 to 3. B. Lines 5 to 7. C. Lines 13 to 14. D. Lines 21 to 22. My answer is D. Lines 21 to 22. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.